Okay, Houston, we've had a problem here.
This is Houston. Say again, please.
Houston, we've had a problem.
Houston, we got no problems. Shield volcanoes. These are the Ooze volcanoes. These are the ones, they're going to have a shape. It's going to look like this. And they've got lava flow over lava flow over lava flow over lava flow, because of course it's not very viscous, so it's more watery. I mean, the images you see is a slow moving lava field, which is true, but that's compared to the explodey kinds, and they go much, much farther. By the way, the slope of this, make a note here, the slope is between 2 to 3 degrees. It's a slope, right? The slope of the line, right? If you were to like measure the slope, remember this in geometry class, it'd be easy to hike this mountain if it didn't have lava flows, because it would not be a very steep climb, all right? Now, one thing about shield volcanoes that happen is they almost have continuous eruptions. They're constantly erupting and erupting. There's not like a gap. You'll find with a composite volcano, there's gaps where you wait and all of a sudden, boom, it goes. But in a shield volcano, they're continuously erupting. And again, the classic one that everyone talks about is the one on Hawaii, the big island of Hawaii. It's continuously erupting over and over and over again, and the lava flows keep growing and growing and growing. And as a note, with these continuous eruptions, that then can cover a large area. And it can just go forever. Hawaii is actually, the Kilauea on Hawaii is actually taller or very close to the same height as Mount Everest, if you take from the bottom of the ocean. But what are some other characteristics of shield volcanoes? The least of the lava. We'll talk about the lava here. Lava. It travels far. This is the lava before solidifying. So it goes a long, long way. Sometimes it hits the ocean. That's awesome, by the way. Well, it often goes to the ocean. And when it hits the ocean, it makes a really cool type of lava they call pillow lava. Looks like pillows. It freezes on the outside so quick, and then the inside doesn't. It's like these big balls. It's awesome. And I think one of the coolest things you can see at one of these is called a lava tube. Now, a lava tube is really cool. So let's take a look at a lava tube. We've got the lava tube right on the left and the right, and then there's one little piece that formed right there, and there's more if we go up and up and up, right up there. Fascinating. This is cool. And I've been hiking for 30 or 45 minutes, and it just continues on and on and on. So here we have something kind of interesting. If you look in here, we have like a red type of a rock. And then if you look here, right along this spot right here, what you've got is this is the lava right here that created the lava tube. And then in here, this is the rock that it made its way through. So this rock here, this red rock, wasn't formed at the same time that this rock was. This igneous formation came down through, and you can see it's only, I don't know, 6 inches thick. And that's what created the lava tube. And then this right here is the older rock, and notice it's a different color, that was there as the lava was flowing through this area. So how does a lava tube form? So in the image that you're now looking at, notice what you've got is you've got stuff solidifying on the outside because it's cooler on the outside, and then the lava continues to flow through the bottom, and then when it all solidifies, or through the center, if you will, and when it's all done, you're left with, boom, the lava tube. So you can climb through these. Some of these are miles and miles long, lava tubes, and they're created because the lava, again, is lowly viscous. It's not very viscous, and so it's thin, if you will, and so it flows so quickly that the lava tubes are formed. So a fascinating thing. Maybe you've had a chance to go visit Hawaii, some of you maybe, and you have seen the shield volcano that's there. What a fascinating thing. I have not visited it. I've been in a lava tube from an old extinct volcano, and it's pretty awesome. So shield volcanoes, Houston, no problem.